Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I will be showing you how I make homemade cassava flakes, also known as Abacha, from fresh cassava tubers. If you have ever wanted to make your own instead of buying it from the market, this tutorial is for you. The first step is to buy or harvest fresh cassava tubers, wash them thoroughly to remove all the dirt. Then cut them into sizes that will cook evenly. Next, place the cassava in a pot of water and cook it over medium heat. After about 5 minutes, begin checking if it is done. I usually cut the biggest piece right through the center. If you notice any white patch in the middle, it isn't fully cooked yet, so keep cooking. Continue checking every 2 minutes until the white center disappears completely. Once there is no more whiteness, the cassava is perfectly cooked. Remove it from the heat and allow it to cool. I personally prefer peeling the cassava after cooking because I find it much easier than peeling it raw. I know some people peel and they peel and slice theirs before cooking, but this method works best for me. After peeling off the skin, I begin slicing the cassava into flakes. I like my slices to be slightly thicker than the ones commonly sold in the market because I enjoy the texture. One helpful tip is to dip your fingers in water occasionally while slicing. This helps to reduce that stickiness and makes the process much easier. Now we are at the peeling stage. This part may look simple, but it's actually one of the most important steps. If you've never made homemade abacha before, I encourage you to watch this part carefully because there is something many beginners don't know. As you can see, I'm peeling after cooking because that is what works best for me. It is quicker, easier, and I waste less cassava this way. Do you peel yours before cooking or after? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear your method. Please pay close attention here. Can you see this thread-like fiber running through the middle? I always remove it because I prefer the texture without it. If you are making cassava flakes for the first time, don't skip this part. It is one of those little details that can make a difference. So, I'm slicing mine a little thicker than the ones sold in the market. That is simply my preference because I like a more satisfying bite. If you prefer thinner flakes, you can absolutely slice yours thinner. And this is why I don't like buying from the market. You will notice me dipping my fingers in water from time to time. Cassava becomes quite sticky while slicing, and this little trick makes the work much easier. Small tips like this can save you a lot of frustration. So, don't leave yet, because the next step is what transforms these cooked slices into proper abacha. If you skip it or rush it, the final result won't come out as expected. Now, if you are still watching, thank you so much. It tells me you really enjoy learning traditional recipes. Let me know where you are watching from. I always enjoy reading your comments. I'm curious. Did you know Abacha could be made from scratch like this? Or have you only ever bought it already prepared? Tell me honestly in the comments. We're almost done with the hard part. The soaking stage is very important. So make sure you stay with me because I will explain exactly how long I soak mine and how many times I wash it before cooking. My grandmother told me if you don't wash it well, you might poison yourself and your family. I don't know how true that is. So, after slicing everything, I will soak it overnight. The next morning, I will show you exactly how I wash it before it is ready to enjoy. This final step is just as important as cooking it properly. Once all the slicing is done, I soak the cassava flakes overnight. The next morning, I wash them thoroughly at least 4 times to remove the soaking water and the sticky water and ensure they are clean and ready to eat. And that is it. Your homemade cassava flakes are ready. I love enjoying mine with fresh coconuts, but some people prefer eating theirs with groundnuts or akara. Now, I would love to hear from you. How do you enjoy your abacha? Do you like it with coconut, groundnuts, akara, or something else? Let me know in the comments below. If you stayed till the end, here is my favorite way to eat homemade abacha. Fresh coconuts. Yes, fresh coconuts. The sweetness of the coconut with the chewy cassava flakes is simply delicious. Some people love theirs with groundnuts or akara, but for me, coconut will always be my favorite. So, let me know about you and how you enjoy yours in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another delicious recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.